Assalamualaikum dear students. So here I am with the new topic, and today we're going to discuss about the regional trade. It is the one of the type of trade. So let's move forward and talk about the regional trade in detail. So what is regional trade? But before that, let's talk about the region. A large area, especially part of the country, is said to be a region. Regional trade. The trade between different regions is called regional trade. Example, the trade between Sindh and Punjab is said to be a regional trade. So why do different regions do trade? Some regions might always not be able to produce enough, so they can face shortages if they don't trade. Some regions produce more of some goods than they need, so they sell them to the other regions. Some regions specialize in services such as tourism, computer skills, or banking, so they sell their services and buy the other services they need. Regional trade helps people to buy goods and services from other regions that are not produced in their region. So let's move forward. So students, here is the chart which is defining the regions and their main goods and services. So Balochistan is famous for gas, coal, minerals as gold and copper. They also have some tourism. So in Sindh, the main goods and services are cotton, rice, wheat, sugarcane, bananas, mangoes, petroleum products, machinery, cement, plastics and banking. In Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, wheat, maize, tobacco, rice, sugar beets, fruits are the main goods and services. In Punjab, the main goods and services are wheat, cotton, sugar, fruits, fertilizer, textiles, gas, coal, petrol, rock salt, cement, sports goods, machinery, electrical goods, surgical instruments, vehicles, and aircraft. Punjab is also one of the most important regions of Pakistan because it contributes the most goods and services to the economy. Next we have Gilgit-Baltistan. The main goods and services are wheat, maize, barley, fruit and tourism. So let's move forward and see how trade affects our towns and cities. Offices are built, more people come to the work, more buildings are needed, the traffic increases, increase in demand of electricity, water, hospital, education and other services. So this is how trade affects our towns and cities. So here we have completed the topic. Hope you have learned from this video. So here are some of the questions, and you can answer these questions while looking at the chart carefully. So which region of Pakistan produce wheat? Which region of Pakistan produce machinery? Which region produce fruits? Which region do you think gives the most products and services to the economy of Pakistan? So thank you so much and best of luck.
Pride School System